Hi! In front of me is VIVO T2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Mini Screen Mode shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, you can do that by tapping on this icon at the top left or right corner. Now drag your screen wherever you wish to. In order to resize it, tap on the same icon, but this time drag one of those dots. When you find the perfect size, let go. If you want to go back to the standard size screen, click on this X at the top left or right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!